Isang luto ko.
Sa brother mo. Sino mas masarap sa inyo magluto? Ng brother mo?
Ako.
Sinong brother? First, second, third?
Yung yung eldest.
Oh, what's the name?
Actually, HRM ang kinuha nun.
Oo.
Tapos pasikat siya.
Mm.
Sabi niya, luluto ako. Kaya nagluto siya ng omelette. Tapos after nun, kinain namin yung omelette niya. Nagtay
Oo.
kami lahat.
Bakit?
Nagtay kami lahat. Ewan.
Kayong lahat talaga. Grabe naman.
Oo.
Anong comment niya sa inyo?
Wala, hindi niya na inulit.
HRM siya.
Hindi niya na inulit.
Where is he right now?
Nasa Qatar.
Oh, nasa Qatar po man din. Oh, hi brother. Sa Qatar pala siya ngayon.
Pero alam mo, kung hindi ako teacher,
Yeah.
nasa kusina ako.
Yes, I believe. I can fly. I believe.
Nasa kusina ako. Like, kitchen stuff, all that.
Yes, chef yan.
Gusto ko nga mag-culinary sana.
Oo. Who is the chef in your family? Who are those? Who are those
Walang chef, pero home cook, yeah.
home cook?
Both my mom and my dad.
Oh.
Like, they're really good cook.
Mm.
Tapos, when I was young, I believe I can fly. Hindi, totoo. Seriously, when I was young, I always go with my mom to the market. Like, she will wake me up early. Every Saturday is a market day.
Yeah.
Tapos yun, observe lang ako. Hindi ako like question, yung ma-question, ma-ask. Observe lang ako.
Like you go to the
Tapos,
market or supermarket?
Market, like market talaga.
Oh, okay.
Open
Like
market,
medyo
not
maputik
supermarket.
like that?
Yes.
Oh.
Wet market,
Yes, wet
ganyan.
market.
Tapos, diba, lagyan natin ng salt.
The alfredo is ready.
Almost ready.
Almost ready.
Let's put some dried parsley. Kasi, mas maganda yung naggaganito para at least anytime, meron kang ano pa rin.
Yes, and I'm not fond of magic, you know.
Yeah. Kasi
How about
pagka,
you?
hindi rin.
It depends.
Wala akong,
I like that.
I never like, ano bang tawag dun? Artificial flavoring,
Yes.
no. I
I
don't
don't like that too.
So, let's get the cheese pala.
And then you're going to put that cheese there on alfredo na.
Ito, ang secret sa togetherness ng pasta natin is the pasta water.
Oh, pasta water. What's the pasta water?
The water that you
Ay.
boil your...
The pepper is so strong.
Really? Ibig sabihin real siya.
Yeah. Kasi nga to sis. I'm so high.
Ay, hindi ako nag-put ng apron.
Yeah, next time na.
Next time na, you put na.
Yes.